This is a videotape inspection of a 2012 Star SR-32J. Just going to do a walk around real quick to look inside. It's got 4 back working, 4 live cross. Way. LNS low profile chip conveyor. It does have fire trace, fire suppression system, and Trimis 850 mist collection system. High pressure coolant. Tank. On the bar feed, got some trays underneath with some additional channel sets. There's 1 channel set in the machine, and there's 4 additional channel sets. The sizes are on the front here. I think I can get some more on the other side here. It's an LNS Alpha 552. Got a 3/8 channel set in the machine, and then there's some more here. 1/4 inch, 1.25 inch, 3/4. And the MPG. Okay, so I think we can move it around a little bit for you. Okay.
I can move that too. Maybe I can. Here it
There you go.
goes. The other way.
Okay, we're going to run the spindle. This is at 100 RPM.
It's 2,500.
2,500.
I think it goes up to 6.
And this is at 6,000 RPM. And stop. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure 6,000 is max.
Okay. This concludes our videotape inspection of 2012 Star SR-32J.